ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ నేరి 9 ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్ నిన్నటి జరుగుతూ ఉంది. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్. రాజ్భవన్ నుంచి సహాయం కొంత మేము సపోర్ట్ అడిగారు, అందుకని ఇక్కడ సంస్కృతి ఆడిటోరియం ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 200 ఫిల్మ్స్ ఇక్కడ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాయి. వివిధ భాషల నుంచి ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద వరల్డ్ నుంచి ఫిల్మ్స్ వచ్చాయి. పర్టికులర్లీ సమ్ అరబిక్ ఫిల్మ్స్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద అరబిక్ ఫిల్మ్స్ మేడ్ బై మిస్టర్ నంద్వాని ఆస్కార్ కూడా షార్ట్ లిస్ట్ చేయబడింది. వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చాలా మంచిగా అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, ఇటీవల మనం నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి ఒక రాజ్భవన్ తరఫు నుంచి, లోక్భవన్ తరఫు నుంచి ఒక సోషియో కల్చరల్ టెక్నికల్ ఫెస్టివల్ చేసామన్నమాట. అప్పుడు జరిగిన ఎంఏఎల్లో ఒక భాగంగా ఇది ఈరోజు ఆ డైరెక్టర్లందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఐ విష్ దెమ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అండ్ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆడియన్సెస్ ఆల్సో. వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చాలా మంచిగా ఉందని చెప్తున్నారు. ఇటువంటివంతా కూడాను మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, హైదరాబాద్ ఈజ్ మక్కా ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అండ్ మూవీ మేకింగ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఇటువంటి ఫిల్మ్స్ రావడము ఇవంతా కూడాను మనం ఆదరించి చక్కగా చూడడం వల్ల మన యొక్క తెలుగు వారి యొక్క ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడాను, అలాగే తెలుగు యొక్క ఫిల్మ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పనితనం అంతా కూడా బయట వెళ్ళడానికి ఆధారం ఉంటుంది. So I wish you all the best, and we are at the closing ceremony now. Thank you very much.
So today is the second day of Neri 9 International Film Festival here in Hyderabad. So we had a very thoughtful, meaningful panel discussion. So many veteran personalities of Telugu film industry and Bollywood film industry, Northeast film industry took part. Sima Biswas madam also a panelist, and Ravi sir, Satish sir, Padmini ma'am, Jodumani Dutta. They were Manoj Nandwana from Mumbai. They were the panelists, and Sunita Krishnan moderated the panel. This panel discussed many important issues regarding production, co-production, distribution, and regionally and globally, and the problems of small, independent filmmakers. So we have suggested, the panel has suggested the government to take some proper steps so that the independent filmmakers, they can get their content to reach the public. This is a problem because they don't have much fund for promotion. So they make the films with small fund, but they are artistic films, good films. People should watch, and social messages are there in those films. So government has some responsibility, and I request all the governments, not only Telangana, all the state governments and central government also, to take some proper steps for distribution of these thoughtful artistic films, so that they can reach the audience. And second thing is that we are having the closing ceremony today. The award distribution function is there. We are having cash awards. Neri 9 is one of those 15 festivals in the world which gives cash awards to the awardees. So among these cash awards, we are having around 4,50,000 cash prizes are there for the awardees. So respected Principal Secretary to the Governor of Telangana, Sri Danakishore sir, and the MD of Telangana Film Development Corporation, Priyanka madam, and Ajitha Surabhi madam, they are coming to take part in this award function, along with the distinguished guests from Assam film industry, Bollywood film industry, and Telugu film industry are also there. So this is going to be a very good function, and after that we are having musical performance by the legendary rock artist Lou Majau from Shillong, Karlaita Mohini from Bollywood industry, and Monisha Bordole from Assam. So we are ending up with some celebrations, award functions, and some musical and dance performances will be there. So being a person coming from far away Assam to Hyderabad, I should say that it is a beginning of a connection between the Assam Northeast film industry and Telangana film industry. So the Telugu film industry is a booming industry. It is, we should not say booming, it is a very big industry now. So Telugu people are film lovers. They respect film, they watch film, and you have infrastructure here in Hyderabad, here in Telangana. The very, very big studios are there. And being an Assamese, I should say my problems that we have good stories, we have good natural locations, beautiful locations. We have talented artists also, technicians also, but we do not have the infrastructure. I should say that there is no big studios there in Assam. Other northeast states too, they don't have anything at all. And even the theatres, we do not have proper theatres also. So I think that there should be a connection between these two states, that some Telugu producers should go Assam for beautiful location and good stories and good technicians and artists. And from Assamese producers and Northeast producers, they should come to Hyderabad for their studio support mainly and post-production. Hyderabad is technically high. So this is necessary, and I think Niri 9 is a beginning. Niri 9 International Film Festival is a beginning, and we will achieve this very soon. And I request all the people concerned to keep this journey, so that we can have some fruits out of it. Thank you.